Sometimes in Shotcut, you may have a video file with attached audio, and you may want to remove that audio altogether from the video clip, or you may simply want to detach it and maybe use it at another place in your timeline. So you can see I have two shots on my timeline, and shot 1 has audio attached. You can tell this by the audio waveform. And shot 2 does not have any audio. So if I would like to detach audio from shot 1, I click on it to highlight it, and then I right-click and choose More, Detach Audio. And it looks like the audio has disappeared, but if I scroll down, you will see it's actually moved the audio from that video track onto a new track called A1. And I can now move this audio, say I wanted this to appear under the other video clip, so I can move it so that now you can see that that audio would play back with the second clip. If I wanted to remove it altogether from the timeline, I simply highlight it and click the delete key on the keyboard.